Hi guys, good afternoon to everyone. This is Prakash here. So, what is the compound interest? Interest, it is the addition of the interest, and you know that to the principal sum of a loan or the deposits, or in other words, I can say that it's a interest on your interest. So it is basically the method, and in this method that that method teaches me about that self development of my life. So the most important point I wanted to share that it's through this method that one habits through this method that habits are the one of the most uh, the compound interest of the self development. So you know that people struggle to develop and maintain their habits because they wanted to make their efforts unsustainable. So habits means that's habits of like gaining knowledge, habits of learning something new things to your professional life, habits to achieve success, either it may be your professional life or the personal life. And then I always that keep myself to show up means by accepting new challenges to my professional life, and by committing that time guidelines, that by committing the timelines to finish my work needs to be done within that period of time. So I always think myself that okay, I am already there and I have a chance, and I should never ever take it for granted. And then what I will do, I will be keep doing, like I'll set my mind to focus on only one task, not the different multiple tasks within the time period, and without getting distracting anywhere and without getting distracting any things. And one more that important things is that I have to strengthening my strength, and I have to eliminate my weaknesses. So for these things I have to make a list, I have to build a list of my strength, and I have to all the time I have to revisit those things. So how I can implement some new things, some the new process to my life that makes me more strong and more stronger, and that makes me more strong to my strength. And also I will revisit those the weaknesses of my life, and I will definitely try to overcome and try to that do some tasks to eliminate those weaknesses. And the next is that that every day I will learn about the new things about every day I will browse some new things, I will browse my some new challenges in my life. Either it may be a that searching something about that leaders, a great man, searching about the great leaders, and searching everything, like searching about some new ideas of life, new skills of life. And I will always like find that my unique way of sharing through my enthusiasm or through my passion. So for these things that I have to make myself that what are the things in myself, and I'm always try to become the best I can. So I have to think about my growth in my life, and all the time that I have to overcome my previous day, whatever I have just done, whatever I have just learned, whatever I have just worked. Now I have to think in a different way, that how I can do something better, how I can make myself more and much more that that improved from my previous day. Thank you so much.